Alrighty guys, we're gonna start in the general parking lot out here. Boom. You see some Mustangs over there, but let's not start there yet. This car caught the attention of my eyes. Look at this thing. Look at this thing, yo. Oh my gosh. Have you ever seen this before? Sheesh. That's what's up. It even says 40 roll right there. Yeah. All right, we got a lineup over here. So we got some 350s. Whoa, that's pretty cool, pretty cool. This is gonna be really quick, guys. We're not gonna cover too much content here. We got a BMW, we got Lexus, a Velociter, we got a Porsche. It's not bad. We got a K-Frank over here. Got a Subaru making all kinds of noise over there. We got another stage 2 Subaru right here. Parking the wrong way. Another stage 2 Subaru right here. Oh, we got a IS300. It's pretty cool. We got a BMW with the stock wheels. Got another BMW. Man, what else is here? Let's go up another row. What the hell is going on over there? What? Is that what they do nowadays? Jeez. No shoes though. Yeah, too many general cars. That's okay. We'll just include them in the video. Really nothing on that side either. Just a bunch of basic cars. Ooh, that's a pretty cool GTI. Oh, Subaru. Nice. What's up? What else we got here? Civics. Got some Accords. Got all kinds of cars over here. Random BMW chilling. What else? What else? So you got the U-Haul here. Big baller. We got a Speed 3, I think. Some random stuff. Spotted some stage 2 Subarus. They got a big front mount. True street racer. This got a true street racer right here. Now the Accord looks pretty sick though. And some random Civics over there. Whoa. Ah, look at the Mustangs though. That's pretty sick. Hell yeah. Oh, we got the Subaru lineup over here. All right, stage 2. All right, stage 2. Stage 3. Damn, bro. We got a Kia. Ooh, the cops are coming. What's down this line? There's nothing down that line. We're not gonna go down that line. Nope. Let's go down this way. We got a. What else? What else we got? We got a Golf. We got another Subaru. It's not bad. Damn, this guy's parked really far out. Holy buckets. My boy needs a backup camera. Look at this gap. Yo, you could fit like a smart car in here. This got big though. Jeez. Oh, we got a Audi. Audi. What the heck's going on here? All right, king of the lots. Psych. Oh, we got some noisemakers over here. All right, all right, all right. All right, what else we got? Whoa, we got a Corvette.
Oh, hey.
We got the first Corvette.
Get your car there.
We got ST. Yeah. That's it. Jeez. Look, we got a Supra. It's Cholo. Oh, it says Cholo. I thought it said Cholo. See, my bad.
Oh, for that.
Slow 5, rev it up. Oh, look at this bagged BMW. It's just a base model 340, you know, nothing crazy. Just bagged on stock wheels. We got team leader for the Mustangs over there. Yeah.
Because this won't happen. You say open the lots, you open the floodgates.
Open the lots. Clean culture. Nice. the guy from TikTok.
Yeah.
Are you the YouTuber with the car racing videos from Minnesota?
That's me. Nice
shit,
to meet
man.
you.
Oh, you're the man with the Jaguar, right?
Yeah.
Oh shit, what do you do for a living?
Dude, OnlyFans.
OnlyFans. Damn, show us a titty. Give us a preview.
It's all feet.
All feet? Take that sock off.
Hey,
take that sock off.
Yeah, it ain't free.
Damn,
It ain't
not
free.
free?
It ain't free.
Damn. One more time for the camera. Come on, one more time. Alrighty, you guys, we're inside now finally. Let's just take a quick walk around. Not gonna cover too much stuff here because it's the same cars, but yeah, here we go. We got the Jag over here. Let's check this thing out. Sick BMW. Same old Jag, you know. 3000 GT. Oh, it's a Stealth. Oh, same deal. We don't care. Here's the 3000 GT. So basically the same except Dodge, Mitsubishi. That's pretty dope. We got a truck over here. We got a Supra. Oh, here's Bryce's car. K Frank. Intake's the wrong way, like always. Looks alright for Rochester. Alright. We got the MK5 Supra, and then we got the MK4 Supra. Fully built, billet, big everything, yup. Looks pretty dope. We got Kimmy's car over here. We got a drive car, Chow 2 Jay-Z over there. Looks alright. Oh yeah, there's SC300. Cool. Okay, we got the supercharger. Alright. Walk down this side here. Gotta be quick. Yeah, it looks alright. Stuff's alright. We got an ST like always. We've seen this guy a million places. Whoa. I think this guy's finally wide body here. Sweet. It's extremely packed over here. We got a stage 2 Subaru over here. Whoa. Look at that. That's pretty sweet, I guess. Top mount, no good. What else is over here? That's 2000s. Supercharged. That's pretty dope. We're gonna swing around the other side here. We got the G35s, 37s, whatever they are. It's alright. Oh. Just a big random truck just chilling. That's pretty dope. Let's walk up this side. More stuff. We got Team Rogue over here. GTR. We got another 340. Whoa, the TR emblem. That's pretty dope. Alright. Speed 6. Alright. This thing's pretty sweet. Brooklyn culture type stuff over here. Nothing too crazy. Oh.
Check out the booth, check out some sneakers.
Got a random Daytona just chilling over here. Get a catch can. We got an intake. Pretty slow stuff. What else? People are still trying to get in. It's completely full.
Make sure you stop over and grab yourself a Broken Promises beer. And then if you're into mixed drinks, pop on in.
Got a crazy truck over here. IS 350? I don't know. Something like that. 020. Jeez. What else is over here? Got the S4. Oh, okay. Got stage 2 Subaru over here. Yep. 10,000 legs. We might be doing this again this year. There's no more spots, boy. Go away. Oh. MSGTI. Go follow him. There's no more spots, unfortunately. Hey. Alright. It's pretty sick though. I like this. Nice and low, boy. We got a Type R, carbon fiber to the maximum over here. It says like the fastest Type R in the state and in probably the world, you guys. Fast. They do this for a reason because it works. Guys, look at this seat though. This is the real deal. Jeez. Whoa, we got another stage 2 Subaru over here. All right. Oh, we seen this Subaru in Mexico before. We seen him before in Mexico. He did all right. Not bad for a Subaru. Oh, he's going back out. He's gonna park in this spot again. Lower. You need to go a little lower. Little lower. Little lower. Come on. No, we got a stock GTI that got in here. She's stealing the show from the truck. Oh my goodness. What the heck? This needs to go away. Oh damn, we got some male models. More arch. More arch. You guys are...
Hey, I know you can arch that shit.
Come on.
No way.
More arch.
Oh, yeah.
Arch it right here.
Yeah, you gotta arch it right here.
Arch it right here. Like, it's hot. Yeah.
Strong.
That's how we do it.
Motherfucker.
Oh, he's getting at it again. Let's just take a closer look at this Kia here. Jeez. Ruining my video. All right, let's go take a look at this. It looks... Oh, God. I gotta say, one of my favorites. Big spoiler gang. One of my favorites. Just look at this.